In 10th class physics, chapter 5, we are discussing the structure of human eye. The structure of human eye. You can see the picture of it. Now, let us discuss about it and make the notes of it. Already we have discussed about it very clearly. The structure of human eye. One of the most important sense organ in our body is eye. It enables us to see the objects and colors around us. The shape of eyeball is spherical. From the picture also you can see it. The sharply curved front portion is covered by a transparent protective membrane. That protective membrane is called the cornea. Behind the cornea, the space is filled with a liquid called aqueous humor. The space filled with a liquid behind the cornea, that liquid is called the aqueous humor. Behind the aqueous humor there will be a crystalline eye lens which forms the images of the objects which we see. Between the aqueous humor and eye lens there is a muscular diaphragm called iris. That the colored part in our eye is iris only, which is unique for a person. Now, in the iris there is a small hole that is called the pupil. You can see the pupil and iris and lens, aqueous humor and cornea also in this picture. You can see all these things in this picture. The cornea is front one, behind it aqueous humor, behind it iris, in the middle of the iris the pupil, behind the iris there is the eye lens. Now the structure of human eye. One of the most important sense organ is eye. That the parts we have seen. The pupil appears black. The hole in the iris appears black, so that any light falling on our eye shall not go back. Iris controls the amount of light that enter into our eye through pupil. Means in low light conditions, iris makes the pupil to expand so that more light is allowed to eye, and in bright conditions it makes the pupil to contract to prevent the excess light, and our eye should not be affected with that excess light. And the lens is the eye lens. The eye lens is behind the iris. We know that the lens is hard at middle and gradually becomes soft towards the outer edge. Our eye lens is hard at middle and gradually becomes soft while going to the outer edges. Eye lens is able to change its focal length. The rear inner part of the eyeball is called the retina. Rear inner part of the eyeball is called the retina. You can see the rear part retina, which acts as the screen for the images formed by our eye lens. But the distance to retina from our eye lens is always 2.5 centimeters. Means the image distance is always 2.5 centimeters. But we know that the image distance change with the object distance. But here, for any position of the object, the image distance is fixed in our eye, because the distance of the distance to retina from our eye lens is about 2.5 centimeters. It means that for any position of the object in front of our eye, image distance is fixed at 2.5 centimeters. How is it possible? It is possible only when focal length change. Focal length change with the radius of curvature. To change the radius of curvature, we should change the shape of the lens. How is it change? The ciliary muscle to which eye lens is attached helps the eye lens to change its focal length by changing the radius of curvature of the eye lens. When the eye is focused on a distant object, distant object, the ciliary muscles are relaxed. The ciliary muscles are relaxed, and the radius of curvature and focal length of our eye lens gets their maximum values. The focal length then becomes 2.5 centimeters, which is equal to the distance from eye lens to retina. So the parallel rays coming from long distance enter into our eye and are focused on the retina. We see the object clearly. Means while we focus on the long distant object, the ciliary muscles that are attached to our eye lens relaxes and makes the focal length to its maximum value. When the eye is focused on a closer object, the ciliary muscles strain to decrease the focal length. The ciliary muscles adjust the focal length of eye lens in such a way that the image forms on retina and we see the object clearly. This process of adjusting the focal length is called the accommodation. Ciliary muscles also have its limit. They cannot strain beyond a limit, so we cannot see the objects that are too closer. Thus, minimum distance for the distinct vision is always 25 centimeters for a healthy person. When the person has a defect of vision, then it changes. Now, image form on retina. The eye lens forms a real and inverted image on retina. The retina is a delicate membrane, contains 125 million receptors. In the eye screen, means the screen in the eye is retina. It has the 125 million receptors which receives the light signals. In these 125 million receptors, there are cones and rods. They are named because of their shapes. The cones identifies the color and the rods identifies the intensity of light. By this we makes the light signals. These signals are transmitted to the brain through about 1 million optic nerves, which makes the optic nerve. Optic nerve starts from retina and reaches to our brain, which has 1 million optic nerves. The brain processes these signals so that we perceive the size, shape and color of the object. Eye accommodation. We came to know that the ciliary muscles adjust the focal length of our eye lens, but it has a minimum value, that is 2.27 centimeter. Means beyond less than 2.27 centimeters we cannot attain. That's why maximum value of our eye lens focal length is 2.5 centimeters and the minimum value is 2.27 centimeters. These are the limits. Structure of a human eye also we can see here. By this we conclude the session.